Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to share TikTok comment as text post on iPhone. As of early 2026, TikTok is testing a feature on iOS that allows users to directly share comments as text posts. Alternatively, you can use the add to story feature or the photo comment feature to share comments visually on an iPhone. Now, sharing comment as a story, which is the most easiest, all you have to do is locate the comment by tapping to comment section of any specific videos that you want to share. Then long press on that comment text. And as you can see, you should be able to find this option called add to story in the menu that appears. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, and the comment will be added as a story. Now, if you want to create a new text post, all you have to do is tap on that. Now, if you want to create a new text post, you have to tap on this plus icon located on the home screen. From there, slide to the bottom menu to select the text option. Now, once you're there, type in the comment or text and customize the font background and colors. And once you tap on this next button, you should be able to find this preset styles over here. You can also select accordingly to your desire. And once you're done, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this your story option or tap next to post a post. Now you can finish it up by writing a caption over here and adding your hashtags. And once you're done, go ahead and tap on this post option and your post will be posted as a text. And it can be viewed from your profile grid as well. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.